Hey, what's up, guys? Justin with California Grenadiers here again. Finally got some stuff in here from 67 Designs. This stuff's pretty bitchin'. Nice aluminum made mounting rails. It's really cool. And also got the 67 Designs, I think it's called the Ledge phone mount. It uses a iPhone MagSafe charger, but then it also adds a little ledge here, so that the phone doesn't fall off or fall down as easily. So when you order this, it includes the MagSafe charger. That's what they recommend for you to use. And it's all pre-installed and everything. But what's neat about this too is that you can have the option for it to fit only the iPhone 16 Pro Max size, or you can order the universal size, and then this little bottom piece is adjustable with a little adjustment knob back here, so then you can use it with multiple size phones, such as my phone, which is just a standard iPhone 16 Pro. And then, as you can see, I bought this mount from 67 Designs. This is their mini, so it's just aluminum in the middle that's connecting the two clamps. And this is a ball-to-ball clamp. So the back of this mount is a ball, and then this mount right here that attaches to their rail is a ball. I think it's 20 millimeter. I'm not sure, but what's really cool about this is that it gives you like basically infinite adjustability along the rail. So I routed the wire, I tucked it in behind this paneling and stuff, so it doesn't give me that much adjustability. I mean, I can get over to the middle and stuff, but I don't really need to get all the way over here. And I'd rather hide the wiring than have like wires coming across the console and stuff. But this is the prototype Tiny Rig, sorry. All of this is designed to work with the Tiny Rig Ultimate Device Mount. This is the prototype. The follow-up version is going to have a neat little notch underneath, so that you can run the wiring underneath and through the notch and behind this paneling, so that the wire is completely hidden. Now for me, that's pretty bitchin', because then it keeps the clean aesthetic of the car instead of having a wire. You know, if this was black, maybe that wouldn't be so bad, but even then, you'd still have the wire kind of hanging out. So that's a really neat feature that they're coming out on the final design. But it's cool because this rail or device mount, I think it's called a 55 series rail. What's cool is that Tiny Rig designed their mounting system to work specifically with this rail. Like the lines match perfectly on the top and the bottom, so it's a very clean install. There's not like a bunch of holes showing, and the holes that do show are very minimal. It's just the hole right here. There's 3 of them for how you mount it to their trim piece. So it's really nice. It's like really well thought out. You can unmount this. You don't even have to buy this if you don't want this 67 design piece. But without it, there's like a couple of holes where you could just directly mount a ball mount. You just have to use the right size, and it gives you a couple of options, but this gives you like infinite options. So that's what's really cool about this design. And then you can get different size and length ram mounts, I guess, or arms you should say, because there's another brand called Ram Mounts that makes these things. And then there's other companies that make these kinds of mounts, Amazon specials and things like that. But this is 67 Designs, and they make really high quality stuff made in the USA and stuff, so really cool. But yeah, I think I'm probably maybe going to also get a longer mount, because I want to mount a radio and maybe a device. for like maps and stuff, like offline maps and stuff, for a bigger display. So that gives you like a lot of options. You can move them around accordingly, how you want them to fit. It just has a really clean aesthetic. I just really like how it looks. Like, I mean, it looks like it's meant to be there, you know. So it's a really cool design. Tiny Rig had a really good idea of making this thing and making it specific for this 67 Designs rail. I have a spare phone so you can kind of see what it looks like, but this is like a iPhone 8 or something. I don't know what model that is. That's a work phone, but that kind of gives you an idea what it looks like. You can swivel it and adjust it. You know, you can swivel it closer, you know, further, whatever, however you want. This old phone isn't MagSafe, but the new phones are, and it like clips into place, and it's really strong, so it's probably not going to go anywhere in pretty general off-roading. They do offer a clamp design that's like, you know, pretty much bulletproof. If you're more concerned with that staying put, for me, I'm kind of like, I want to be able to grab it, put it on easily, take it off, you know, really easily, but have it secure. So a couple of cool, neat options. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are planning on running this. I haven't ran it on the trails or anything yet. I just finished installing it right now, but it'll be cool to see what other people are running. You know, I know there's a couple of different options out there, and lots of solutions. And it's great that you know, manufacturers, developers are making all these cool gadgets and gizmos for us and giving us options and choices. You know, and it helps, in my opinion, really drive the market forward. You know, some healthy competition makes us grow and makes us improve things and improve designs. You know, it's an opportunity for us to do better and to be better. So I think it's a really cool and fun process we're all going through together as a community, you know, growing together, learning together, and finding out what works and what doesn't, and enhancing things, improving things. It's fun. It's fun to work together and be a team and be collaborative. Really enjoying the vibe of the community, the overall vibe of the community. So hopefully we can keep this going. All these manufacturers keep doing what they're doing, you know, taking these risks and chances and making cool things for us enthusiasts, so that we can enjoy these rigs how they're supposed to be enjoyed, and enhance that enjoyment. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment in the section below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching.